Hey everybody, it's Jasmine Cambridge from These Are the Valleys, the podcast. Here, just finished the Anchored Media Find Your Voice Academy Growth Track retreat. And y'all, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Look at your friend and go get them and tell them to come to this retreat because y'all, it's so worth it. I have pages and pages and pages of notes of valuable information that has taught me how to grow my listenership, how to expand my reach, how to build community beyond the podcast, and how to monetize this whole thing. So with this, I'm leaving with a sense of clarity, a breath of fresh air. My brain's jiggling. I'm a little tired, but guys, it's just so worth it. I don't know what else to say. I truly want to thank the Anchored Media team. I want to thank Tatum. I want to thank Jaleesa. I want to thank Kyla because you guys are doing God's work for real. So it was just great to be in a space where I could be with other Christian podcasters and brainstorm, network, and mastermind to just really make our podcast all they can be. So if you've been thinking about possibly joining Anchored Media's Find Your Voice Academy retreats, do it.